Hey folks! Exciting news! Etahen 2.0b public test is out. This update brings enhanced stability, toolbox improvements, and my personal favorite feature, cheats! Oh, and a big shout out to my friend Hadi Wiranata for the awesome suggestion. Today, we'll show you how to perfectly jailbreak your PS5 completely offline 100% and without any ESP boards. Let's dive in! Heads up! Etahen 2.0b is a public test release. While we await the official version, I assure you this method is more stable and convenient. Now head to Settings, Network, and make sure you're disconnected from the internet. Then go to System, Web Browser, delete the cookies and clear the website data. After that, go to Power Saving, Features available in rest mode, and turn off Stay connected to the internet. And lastly, go to Save Data and Game App Settings, Automatic Updates, and disable Auto Download and Auto Install in rest mode. Now, we'll need to connect to the internet once to grab the cache and save it in the system. If you don't have this browser yet, check out my previous video tutorial on jailbreaking the PS5 with Etahen 1.9b. I'll leave it a link in the description. Once you're in the browser, enter the address and press the right arrow button to continue. From the bottom right of the screen, you will see it's downloading the cache. That's our target, but suddenly, don't worry, it's okay. This is a kernel panic. The PS5 is trying to grab the cache from the site. It's common to experience this on the first try, but don't fret. Let the PS5 fully shut down, then press the power button twice with a 5-second interval and redo the process. Alright, this is my second attempt. You will notice something different this time. Let it boot, repair, wait, and hit don't report. You don't need to repeat the security measures from earlier. Just go straight to the browser as soon as the console boots up and enter the address again. The more you try, the better it gets. I'm just about to do my second attempt. So let's be patient and calm. We need to jailbreak the console to proceed. I'm keeping the scenes uncut so you can compare the progress with each attempt. I will share my thoughts after this second try. As you can see in the video, the console is handling the process better than the first attempt. We managed to reach the loading screen of the Etahen toolbox. And then, oh, come on! It's all good. You will see, our patience will pay off. We're almost there. So let's go for round 3. See? It's starting to save the site in the history section. Just click on the saved address link. While we wait, let's give a big shout out to Lightning Mods, Slayers, Zeko Shao, Chendo, The Flow, Spectre, and everyone in the scene for creating this awesome tool to play our backup games while preserving our discs. Special thanks to Mouuu for this fantastic website. Please support these guys by checking them out. Okay, let the catch fully build up. When the official 2.0b version is released, you can update by starting again from step 1 of this tutorial. I prefer the light version because it's a straightforward approach that lets me grab my game and play. The light version doesn't include extra payloads which I don't really need. Woohoo! Finally, we made it on the third try. Let's see if we achieve the jailbreak by checking the debug settings and about section. Let's go! To confirm the jailbreak, go to settings and see if the debug settings option is present. Let's verify it. At the bottom, you'll find the About section which contains information about the new update. But for now, you will see the names of the amazing people behind the scenes. A huge thanks to all of you. Once the console is jailbroken, let's leave it for a bit and head to the PC. We've got business to take care of over there. Step 2. This package file from Mouuu will take away any worries about ESP boards. You'll find it in the description below. It's the secret ingredient, the offline host cache package file. Once downloaded, transfer this file to your external USB drive. Ensure that the drive is formatted to exFAT. Now plug the USB drive into your PS5, go to Package Installer, and install the file from Mouuu. This key tool will enable our offline jailbreak on the next PS5 boot. Once all prerequisites are met, navigate to Settings, Network, and disconnect from the internet. This step ensures you are ready for future offline use of these essential tools. You might be wondering where the installed offline host package file is. It can be found under the media category. Simply boot it up and let's see if we can jailbreak offline. Okay, this is our first time jailbreaking the console offline. Let me reiterate, the more you boot this jailbreak, the more stable it becomes. Over time, the process will become faster and more reliable. In this instance, it took me just 30 seconds. Wow! That's a first time win for us! If you encounter issues, simply restart your console and let it fully load for about 5 to 10 seconds before heading to the offline catch app to attempt the jailbreak again. Typically, you should succeed within 5 tries, but I managed on my first attempt after the initial jailbreak. Ensure you are disconnected from the internet. Reboot the PS5 and try the offline jailbreak again. If there's no improvement, you'll need to redo the process from the beginning. However, once you reach this stage, congratulations! With a few more successful attempts, the jailbreak process should improve to around 16 seconds. No issues booting up my backup PS4 game. Okay, let's attempt another offline jailbreak for the second time and try playing one of my PS5 backup games. I will leave this part unedited so you can see the significant improvements we have achieved since installing the offline host app by Mouuu. Thanks, Mouuu! 19 seconds? I barely noticed. It's even faster than before. Now, I'm heading to items flow to test one of my backups. Asterisk and obelisk triple XL. I hope you found this video informative and that I provided an accurate tutorial for you. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a like. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so to stay updated with all my future uploads. Thank you very much for dropping by and hoping to see you again on my next video. Peace out! In the public beta release of Etahen 2.0b, they introduced my favorite feature, cheats. Curious about the tricks I used to install and manage these cheats? Join me in the next video.